It was Raphael's very first day on a forklift. A tall Mexican with soccer player legs and arms like tree trunks. When he stepped inside the bright warehouse, even the shadows moved out of his way. I watched from the loading dock. White beard, steel toe boots, the trainer on duty. One wrong lift could smash a $10,000 pallet. Would you keep calm? First rule, I told him, drive like you're sneaking past a sleeping baby. He grinned, big as the sunrise, climbed in, and the tires hummed. A deep rubber hum. Oil smelled like hot metal. His gloves squeaked on the wheel. Have you ever felt a machine shake under you? He just did. Raphael breathed out, rolled forward, stayed dead center on the yellow tape. First straight line perfect, small fist pump. Did you see that grin? Halfway back, his hands twitched. Forks drifted. A gentle scrape kissed a corner stack. Silence, heavier than steel. I raised a hand. Happens to everyone. We reset. This time slower. A truck arrives in 20 minutes. Can we load it in time? He squinted at the mirrors. Which one's better? Both. But your ears are better. Listen to the engine. Feel the floor. Rule 2. Mirrors are eyes at the back of your head. Don't blink. Smooth reverse this time. Confidence rising. Dust danced in the sunbeams as we rolled into the tight turn aisle. Forklift tail swung wide, a shelf bracket bent with a quiet ping. He groaned, "That's it, I failed." You bent metal, not your future. He laughed. Didn't know forklift school felt like a telenovela. He hit the horn by mistake. 3 pigeons shot off like fans dodging security. Next drill, high shelf pick. Pallets stacked like Jenga blocks. I whispered, "Trust your gut."
Okay.
He lifted slow. Forks wobbled. Just a bit. Back in soccer, crowds cheered. Here, shelves judge. He steadied, set it down like glass. A sharp pop. A nail on the floor blew a tire saw. Quick swap at the service cart. Lesson learned. Always carry a spare wheel. 90 seconds in. Clipboard man yelled, "Truck rolls in 10. 4 pallets left. Raphael's shirt clung with sweat, but hands stayed steady. He lifted, stacked, spun, clock ticking. Last pallet slid in place with 30 seconds to spare. Victory horn. Truck doors slammed shut. We parked. Engine off. Warehouse buzz softened. So, I asked, "Still think it's just a seat and some levers?" "It's a dance," he said. "A dangerous one. That's what keeps you sharp." Then the radio crackled. Short staff on night shift, rush order, a storm rolling in. Lights flickered overhead. Power dipped. He looked at me. "Think I'm ready?" I smiled. We'd find out soon. Because stacking in daylight is one story. Stacking in the dark, different air entirely. Skill is silent, but safety speaks loud. Download the free checklist below. Hit subscribe, and come back for the next shift. Forklift in the dark. Can he stack with zero visibility? Meet Raphael. Extra tall, extra strong, extra new. First day on a forklift. He walks into the warehouse like he owns the place. Then spots the machine and suddenly looks like a kid facing broccoli. I'm the trainer. White beard, loud boots, coffee cup bigger than my head. My job? Keep this rookie from turning boxes into confetti. Rule 1, I say. Drive like grandma's asleep in the back. Raphael laughs so hard the vest wiggles. Laughter's good. Keeps the muscles loose. We hop in. I point to the line on the floor. Straight as spaghetti before you cook it. He rolls forward, tongue poking out in deep concentration. Halfway, tiny wobble. Bonk. A baby tap on a wave of bubble wrap. Bubble wrap pops like fireworks. Raphael's eyes go saucer wide. I grin. Instant party? Let's try again. Less fireworks, Mario. Take 2. Perfect. Small fist bump. On to reversing. Pretend this forklift is a giant shopping cart, I yell, and you forgot the cereal aisle. He steers backward. Mirror check, mirror check, mirror check. Then honk. He butt bumps the horn. 3 pigeons explode off the rafters. Warehouse symphony. Bonus points for clearing the birds, I cheer. Next, tight turn. Raphael whistles a tune from soccer days. The forklift tail swings, scrick, paint scratch, shelf bracket wiggle.